In this video, I will demonstrate how to set up your ORIVISION hardware encoder. First, you can do this by connecting the encoder to the power source with a power cable, and then connecting the encoder to your laptop or computer with an Ethernet cable. The encoder's default IP address is 192.168.0.31. In order to access it, we need to make sure that the computer's IP address has the same class type 192.168.0.0. Open Network Ethernet setting, click Change Adapter Options. Click Local Area Connection and select Properties, Internet version 4. Set the administrator as computer IP as 192.168.0.0 to avoid IP conflicting with dashboard IP 192.168.0.0.31. Mark numbers range will be 0-254 except 31. Open Google Chrome and type in 192.168.0.0.31. The default username and password admin. So now we're in the encoder's web user interface where you can change the settings of the encoder. And then we're going to Systems and click on Network. Here you can change the IP and the DNS settings of your encoder to match your network. For example, my computer's IPv4 address is 192.168.10.150, so we should modify the third numbers of the encoder's IP address and DNS to 10. Once you're done changing it, you can click on Apply and then restart the device. After reboot, the encoder's OLED will display IP address and input resolution. After that, we're going to disconnect the Ethernet cable from your computer and connect the Ethernet cable to your home or office network. So now we're done with the configuration process. You can go ahead and open up a new browser page and type in the new IP address 192.168.0.0.31. And it should take you to the encoder web interface.